TPJ Learning!
Hello kids, this is Teacher Ella, and today we are going to talk about clouds. How are clouds formed? Clouds are formed when warm air rises and meets colder air. As the warm air goes higher, it cools down and the water vapor in it condenses into tiny water droplets. These droplets gather together to create clouds that we see in the sky. It's like a fluffy collection of water droplets hanging in the air. What are the types of clouds? There are several types of clouds, and they are generally categorized into four main types. Cirrus clouds. These are high-altitude clouds that appear wispy and feathery. They often indicate fair weather, but can also signal that a change in the weather is coming. Cumulus clouds. These are fluffy white clouds with a flat base. They are usually associated with fair weather, but larger cumulus clouds can develop into thunderstorms. Stratus clouds. These clouds form in uniform layers and cover the sky like a blanket. They often bring overcast skies and can result in light precipitation. Nimbus clouds. Nimbus clouds typically bring rain or snow. There are two main types, nimbus stratus clouds and cumulonimbus clouds. Nimbus stratus clouds. These are thick, dark clouds that cover the sky and bring continuous, steady precipitation. They often result in overcast skies and can bring rain, snow, or drizzle. Cumulonimbus clouds. These are towering clouds that can reach high into the atmosphere. They are associated with thunderstorms and can bring heavy rainfall, thunder, lightning, and sometimes severe weather like hail or tornadoes. So when you hear nimbus clouds, it generally refers to clouds that are actively producing precipitation. Is precipitation synonymous with rain? No. Precipitation is not synonymous with rain. Precipitation is a broader term that includes any form of water, liquid, or solid falling from the atmosphere to the Earth's surface. This includes rain, snow, sleet, hail, and drizzle. So while rain is a type of precipitation, not all precipitation is in the form of rain. It can vary depending on factors like temperature and atmospheric conditions. Additionally, clouds can be combinations of these types, leading to various subtypes. Understanding cloud types helps meteorologists predict weather conditions. It's quiz time! What are clouds made of? A. Cotton candy. B. Tiny water droplets or ice crystals. C. Marshmallows. Answer B. Tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Which type of cloud is fluffy and often associated with fair weather? A. Cumulus clouds. B. Stratus clouds. C. Cirrus clouds. Answer A. Cumulus clouds. What do nimbus clouds usually bring? A. Sunshine. B. Precipitation. C. Wind. Answer B. Precipitation. Which cloud type is associated with thunderstorms and can bring heavy rainfall, thunder, and lightning? A. Cumulus clouds. B. Cirrus clouds. C. Cumulonimbus clouds. Answer C. Cumulonimbus clouds. What do we call clouds that look wispy and feathery high in the sky? A. Cumulus clouds. B. Stratus clouds. C. Cirrus clouds. Answer C. Cirrus clouds. That's all for today, kids. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, and thank you for watching!